Hello students, in this video we will discuss our next chapter, that is factorization. So what is factorization? When a polynomial is expressed as the product of two or more expressions, so each expression is called the factor. Suppose one polynomial is given x square plus 5x plus 6. So you can express this one like x plus 3 into x plus 2, because if you multiply these two numbers, uh, these two, you will get this expression here. That means this polynomial we can write like this way, product of two expression. So each expression is called the factor of this. Clear? So in your question, this type of polynomial will given and you have to do these things. Clear? Now let's start. In exercise 5a. So in exercise 5a, question number 1 is given here. 2 into 2x minus 5y, 3x plus 4y minus 6 into 2x minus 5y into x minus y. So there is a polynomial given, this type of, and you have to convert this one as a product of some expression. So look, here you can take common 2, because there is 2 given and there is 6 given. So you can take common here, from here 2, and here is given 2x minus 5y, and here is also given 2x minus 5y. So you can take common 2x minus 5y also. So in this side there is left 3x plus 4y, and here is left because there is from here we are taking common 2, so 3 is left here and x minus y is left here. Now that is 2 into 2x minus 5y, and if you open the bracket, then what you will get, 3x plus 4y minus 3x plus 3y. Then 3x and this 3x will be deduct, cancel out, and here is left 7y. So 7 to ja 14, and here is y, 2x minus 5y. So we can express this one as a product of some expression. So this is our factorization is done here. Now go to next problem. Now go to question number 4. So question number 4 is given here, 2x a minus b plus 3y 5a minus 5b plus 4z 2b minus 2a. Now you can write this one as 2x into a minus b, and from here you can take common 5, so 5 3 ja 15 happen, 15y a minus b, and from here you can take common 2. Actually you have to take common from here minus 2, because here is a minus b and here is also a minus b. If you take only 2 common, then you will get here b minus a, but you have to make here a minus b, that's why you have to take common minus 2 from here. So if you take minus 2 from here, this will be converted to minus 8, minus 8z, and here is left a minus b, because if you multiply, suppose a minus b is given, if you multiply minus, then if you take common minus from here, then you will get b minus a, like this. Now from these three you can take common a minus b. Here is left 2x, here is left 15y, and here is left minus 8z. So this polynomial converted to product of two expression, so our factorization is done. Now go to next problem, question number 6. So question number 6 is given here, 16 a plus b whole square minus 4a minus 4b. Now this 16a plus b whole square, keep it as it is, and from these two you can take common minus 4, then this will convert it to a plus b, because I am taking common here minus, that's why this will be minus minus plus a b. Now from these two you can take common here 4 and a plus b. So this will be, because I am taking from here taking common from here 4, so 4 is left here, and 1 a plus b taking common, and 1 a plus b is left here, and I am taking common from here 4 into a plus b, so nothing is left here, that means there will be 1. So this can be written as 4a plus 4b minus 1. So this polynomial can be written like this way, product of some expression. So our factorization is done. Now go to next problem. Now let's see question number 10. So question number 10 is given here, a square plus b minus ab minus a. Now look, take this one, this a square and ab in a group, and b and minus a in a another group. So from here you can take common a. So if you take common from here a, say, then what we will get? A minus b. So if you take common from here minus 1, then you will get here also a minus b, because you have to make here a minus b, because here is a minus b already have. So that's why I am taking common from here minus 1. So this b minus a is converted to a minus b. So from these two you can take common a minus b. So a is left here and here is left minus 1. So our factorization is completed. Now go to next one. Go to question number 13. So question number 13 is given here, 2a minus b whole square minus 10a plus 5b. So keep this one as it is, and from here you can take common minus 5. So this will convert it to 2a, because I am taking here minus 5 common, so minus minus it will be plus, and 2 is left here because I am taking common 5, and a is left here. So this will be, I am taking common here minus 5, that's why minus plus it will be minus happen, and because I am taking common 5, so this will be b is left here. So now here is 2a minus b is have 2 times, and here is 1 time. So you can take common 1 time 2a minus b. So 2a minus b is left here and here is left minus 5. Then if you open the bracket, then you will get 2a minus b minus 5. So this polynomial you can retain as a product of some expression, so our factorization is completed. Now in this way you can do left of the problems in exercise 5. Thank you everyone.